Hello, sir. Today I will explain my solution for SIT 232.5.1. So this task is mainly about inheritance overriding, overloading, and access control in C#. So in my solution, I complete differently parts of task. So first, I created a Zoom program without inheritance. Then I improved it using inheritance. After this one, I also complete the overloading example and the last three question about class A and class B. So first, I will explain in part one the Zoom without inheritance. In this part, I created an animal class and a Zoom part class inside the animal class. I add fields like name, date, location, weight, age, and color. I also create a constructor to set this valence when an animal object is created. So then I added the method of eat, sleep, and make noise because uh, different animals behave differently. So I also had add extra method like the make lion noise, make edge noise, make a wolf noise, and eat meat and eat berries. Uh, uh, this design works, but the animal class becomes too large and including methods, there's no every animal needed, so it's not very clear. Uh, so in Zoom Park.cs, I created three objects, a wolf, a tiger, and an eagle. Then I called their method of and printing their behavior. This part helped me show the limitation of not using inheritance. Next, I will explain in part two the Zoom without inheritance. In this part, I created a base class called animal. This base class contains the common fields and common methods that everyone animal has, such as eat, sleep, make noise, and move. I mark those methods as virtual so they can be overriding in subclasses. Then I created a subclass like tiger, lion, wolf, age, and uh, uh, penguin. This class inherited from animal, so they reuse the common code. This show is is a relationship. So for example, a tiger is animals and a wolf is an animal. So I also created a feline class between animal and some cat animals. This is useful behavior. Tiger and lion are both felines, so they show some common behavior. In my code, the feline class and the special fields overriding sleep and add scratch method. Then tiger inherited from feline. So the tiger gets the common animal behavior from animal, uh, and eat and cat relate behavior from feline. The tiger class also add its own fields, color scripts, and override make noise, eat, and move. In my code, the tiger roar loudly, eat 20 uh, laps of it, and run powerfully. Then so uh, the wolf class inherits different directly from animal. So it override, make noise, eat and move. So the wolf howl eat 10 pounds of meat and run through the forest. I also created a birds class inheritance from animal. This class continue birds related fields and like bird special and wingspan. and also including the fly method. The eagle and the penguin both inherited from birds. So this is another example of code real speed because the both are birds, but they still behave differently. In eagle dossiers, I overrode make noise, eat, and fly. The eagle with the face eat the 1 pound of fish and feel high in the sky. It also has a special method called lay egg. In penguin dossiers, I overrode make noise, eat, fly, and move. The penguin make penguin sound, eat, smell fish, count fly, and winging on the ice. So this shows the two subclasses can show the same parent class but still behave differently. So in Zoom Park with inheritance dossiers, I created object differently classes, including tiger, lion, wolf, eagle, penguin, and also one base animal object. So then I test all the method like the make noise, eat, sleep, and move. I also test special method like scratch, fly, and lay egg. Then the biggest advantage of the inheritance in the task reusability and better design. So instead of the putting every possible method inside in large dossiers class, I move the common behavior into base class, special behavior into subclass. So this makes the code clear and easy to extend later. Uh, uh, One important idea in this task is overriding. Uh, Overriding happens when a subclass changes the behavior of a method inherited from the base class. In my program, the base animal class has a richer method like the make noise, eat, sleep, and move. Then subclass use the overriding keyword prove them on versions. So for example, the base class say and an animal makes a noise, but tiger class changes the behavior. So overriding lets the same method name behavior differently from different objects. So next I complete the overloading part. uh, in overloading dossiers, I created two methods with the same name, print violence and but different parameter lists. One method takes only one string. The other method takes a string and integer. So then in me, I called both them both. Uh, this method overloading. Overloading means method have the same name but different signatures. The compiler decide which method to call by based on number or types of par parameters. Finally, I will uh, explaining the program running. So here, so the program all can be successful to running. For example, part one, inheritance. So here, oh, yeah, the all be success running. Two, mm, make noise, eat, sleep, or move. Okay, I'll be fine. And part 3 overloading. Okay. Yeah, I'll be successful run. So my video is over. Thank you for watching, sir. Have a good day.